Calm down,
So
sir.
Nigerian
Please
against
calm
me.
down.
You want to be the man
Sir,
of the
please
house,
calm.
Abi? Impossible, Omaladi. Omagale Kwesu. Oh, Omagale Kwesu.
Video one at the watch, so I mute this place because I was so emotional. Then I two shouts, that make me mute her. Now man when marry wife come from Nigeria, go America, Igbo from East, then he take his wife life. Now the video na the one watch, so the man say the woman he dey pursue am for house, he call police, he want carry, he want make brother go dey stay with her, the woman no gree. And na him marry the woman come from Nigeria come abroad. The woman be dey beg him, the woman na village woman, but now e don tear eye. May I leave.
Husband don kpai wifey. Husband don kpai wifey. My head dey hot. Wetin kpai am for? My people, now hear am for the mouth. I go drop this thing so also. Husband don kpai wife. He say he kpai am because he too dey lie. You know this lie of a thing is very bad. If you na be couple, if that thing red, tell am say na red. If na be couple, first of all, may her so rest in peace. Police don dey there now. Police dey fear say, are you hot? He say ZBK abi ZBK from X, but they leave America. Na America they stay. He say this is how you end my life. This is how we end life. He say ZBK abi, I don't know. My people, now welcome to Naija Daughter. This person, why they hear this news from America, now this thing for happen. So man don't take his wife live. Then police come. As police come, they don't show am now with voice. You know, say when police they talk, they record. And the man say, make they come carry him. Say he don't shoot this demon on his face. Zubike. But that's Zubi. Me, I just say Zubike, something like that, you know. He say he don't shoot her for his face. According to what I hear from there, the girl say, the person when they film her, he said, you don't get right to near there. It's only the government, the police authority, and they go film near there. He said, only God know what thing happen. But according to the husband, he said, now demon is shoot for his face. And secondly, she dey lie. And he can't dey cry. The man can't dey cry. He said, this is how you end my life. That America, guys, please, if they can do one, those guns, they still reduce them. It will good. It go good. You are not a police officer. You are not a uniform officer. Why hold a gun? Why did they allow that they go with gun? If they will get license, I be what you know they call them. Why? Why they I too like France, so that might say France, some people will say, but at least they're peaceful. They can't find gun in your hand. We go for it. America, you just get license for gun. He said the woman, she dey lie to him. The man they cry. He just they talk. He regrets his action. He's regretting badly. Nobody know what they read they happen. Nobody really know what the man or the woman is doing. But now the man side we hear now they lie. He said the woman always lie. He said she's lying. He said she shoot the demon. Come, you when you marry husband. Before you marry, if you don't know what of husband or wife, no, they go suffer person pikin. No, go they suffer person pikin when you do on your own. No, the name of say, I don't born children, I don't want my children and they, or I don't marry. I don't want make the people not call me single mother. Or make the people not tell me say I don't leave my husband's house. Or I don't leave my wife. If you don't know the words of husband or the words of wife, no near person pikin. Yes, no near person pikin. Because some people will just all their mouth full of lie. You can never see truth from their hand. Not be one, I publish for this my channel. One Nigerian man. When the wife they abuse, this man I can come from Nigeria. At the end, reach America finish now. From your husband present, not be say your husband no demand, not be say your husband no anything. Car just carry you, come pick you. If that demand now, I use that thing now. Wait till person go talk now. We not know, we not see the person face. We not see the person face. We not see the person face now. We don't know who he be. Wait till the man they talk now. He say, I shoot this devil face. Later I see they cry, say, look at how in life they end. If you keep by gun, you go by with gun. If you take person life with gun, your life will go with gun. Yes. Or that might say they still be gun-free country. When you take someone's life, your life, you will go for it. If you be man, you marry wife. The wife, they give you tough hand. Not be only woman, they pass through abuse marriage. Me, I see the person. Please, my brother, downfall of a man is not the end of his life.
If you carry wife, husband come from Africa, please respect them. Respect them. And if husband, wife carry you come from Africa to abroad, please still respect them. Yes, respect them. Let their words say they can't. And you respect your husband. Not because you don't see money, you can't misbehave.
Taking person's life is not good. God they against them. Okay? For you, I did distract because of notification. YouTube notification. And they did distract because of YouTube notification. Waiting, I go advise you, please package yourself. Go start again. Downfall of a man is not the end of his life. If you can start up again, it will help you. It will favor you for you to take someone's life. Not take anybody's life. Do your own. Pass your own. Waka your own. Okay? May her soul rest in peace. So sorry. I felt happy just when I filmed my first video. When husband say leave wife. Now husband take wife life. You when you dey cry just now, husband leave you. He say you cheat. Maybe you really cheat. Imagine that one and he vex, he carry, but he leave you. He say maybe they carry wahala, they go. This one, what did the man talk now? He say wife, he dey lie. He say, I don't know whether you too. For your face, this demon for your face. Because she's too lie. I'll see you in my next video. If you like my channel, please guys, support me, okay? Please guys, support me. Subscribe to my channel. Help me to share. Give me like, comment, drop your own opinion. Your opinion count, okay? If I even give you love, your opinion count. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Ciao.
It's like this is the next car that came to seal the house or something. Yeah, because this is a crime zone and a crime scene. So nobody's allowed to go in or out. Well, God knows why. That's all I can say. It hurts.
I'm sorry. You said who's been shot? Hello, sir. Are you
My
still
friend,
there?
I said I shot this demon in the face. Yes, me. Subuike. You can come and take me. She's lying down here. She's always lying.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I know you're very upset, but can you please tell me if there's anybody else hurt? Hello, sir. Sir, are you there?
I'm finished. Shabaka, you have finished me.
Hello, sir. Is somebody else hurt? Or you hurt yourself? Hello.
No,
sir?
no.
Okay, sir. Thank you for that. Now, can you please give me the address to that location? Can you please confirm the address? Sir?
I have nothing to say to you. Chukuna, Zubike. So this is how it ends for you. What, Jojo?
Okay, sir. Emergency personnel are on their way as we speak. I need you to put down the gun so we can talk.
No, I can't do that. I need it. I can't do that.
I understand that, sir, but for right now and for the safety of the...
I will shoot myself before your people near me. You think I'm playing? Eh?
Sir, I know. I don't want you to do that.
Telling me that my mother cannot come and live with me. You cannot come and live with us in Dallas. Who the hell are you? You are enough, so you are gonna be.
Sir, are you there? Are you there?
So you can build house in your father's village.
Okay, sir.
Money. Me.
Sir, okay.
Come and answer asking you for permission to spend my money.
Okay.
I'm also Kibu. Man, spirit Kibu. That's what you
sir,
are.
Please.
They kick me out of my own house.
Sir, please calm down. Sir, please calm down.
You want to be the man of the house, Abi? Impossible.
Hello, sir. Are you there? Sir, please calm down. Sir, please calm down.
You want to be the man of the house, Abi? Impossible.
Hello, sir. Are you there? Please speak to me. Sir, are there any children in the house? Sir, I would really like for you to...
Look at me. Look at my face. Look at my face. It is me that shot you. So you think you can mess me up and go for free? It is me that shot you.
Okay, sir. Can you please put the gun down? Can you please put the gun down, sir? Please. Okay, I have emergency services en route to your destination. All I need for you to do is put the gun down on the floor. Can you please do that for me?
You Americans, you think you can ruin my life? My destiny? Spoil my name? But if you kill me spiritually, I will kill you physically.
I understand you're very upset right now, sir. But I need you to please
Hey, what are you talking about? Are you any better? Me upset?
No.
Did I say she broke my phone? Eh? I said this Ogbanje finished my life. And she took everything from me. All my hard work. For what? For what? Because she's a nurse, eh? Because she's a nurse.
I understand your frustration, sir. I understand. But if you don't want to put the gun down, can you please go to another room
I made
for
her
the
who
weekend?
she is. Ask anybody. Ask anybody. I made you who you are. Eh? She was in the village begging me to marry. Eh? All her family members. All begging me. It was me. You was nobody. You were nobody. You become a nurse and then you start crying. You're carrying shoulder. You're carrying shoulder, acting like madam. Eh? So that you will not give me your check anymore. Eh? Eh?
Sir.
I'm breaking them all. I'm breaking them all. Eh? I'm breaking them all. Eh? Tell him I should leave them. I'm breaking them all. Eh? I'm breaking them all. Eh? Tell him I should leave. Tell me I should leave the house.
Sir, are you?
Tell me that I should leave the house now. Eh? No, tell me to pack my load from the house that I bought. Eh?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Can you please speak to me?
You know how
Can
to
you please
call
hold the
police all
phone?
the time. Wake up and call it now. Wake up and call it now.
Hello, sir. Pick up the phone. Hello? Hello? Sir.
My people, from there, gun and shot. That is why I mute her, okay? The man take in whole life. He take his wife life, he take his wife. Children, they live and for suffer. Please, if my brother, my sister out, if you bring somebody come, not take anybody's life. If you don't, they misbehave, leave them. Go start again, okay? And may una stop. May una they